In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI for stock market research. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Perplexity website. You can do this on desktop or mobile. There's no special setup needed for this walkthrough, just a clean page with a search bar where you'll type what you want to learn about. Think of Perplexity as a research assistant that reads the web for you in real time and shows you where it got its information. That makes it especially useful for market topics that change quickly. Next, type in your stock market research question just like you'd ask a colleague. Be specific so the results are focused and actionable. For example, include the sector, time frame, and any tickers you care about. Instead of EV stocks, try current market trends in the electric vehicle sector for the past quarter, including key catalysts and risks. If you're comparing companies, you could write something like compare recent valuation metrics, revenue growth, and guidance commentary for two large cap tech stocks. You can also add constraints or deliverable styles, such as provide a concise summary with key data points, highlight consensus estimates, or summarize management commentary from the latest earnings calls. The clearer your prompt, the better your output. If you need data tied to a moment in time, mention that time frame. If you care about a region, add it. And if there are specific metrics you want, like free cash flow, gross margin trends, or debt levels, name them right in your query. Once your query looks good, click Submit. Perplexity will gather and synthesize information from credible sources and present a concise answer along with citations. Take a moment to scan the timestamps and publication names next to those citations so you can gauge recency and reliability. If you see a claim you want to verify, the reference is right there to review. You'll typically get a structured overview first, followed by supporting details. Use that overview to orient yourself, then note any data points you may want to track, like earnings dates, guidance revisions, or analyst consensus figures. Remember that market information evolves quickly, so it's smart to pay attention to how recent the sources are and whether the details reflect the latest quarter or outlook. That's the whole process. Go to Perplexity, type a precise, well-scoped market question, and click Submit to get a sourced, up-to-date research summary. With a thoughtful prompt, you'll save time, improve accuracy, and keep your stock research organized and verifiable.